Next is JPEG compression. So image compression, three types of image compression. One is a graphical image compression, that is GIF files. Another one is TIFF files, that is nothing but tagged information compression techniques. And third one is JPEG, joint pictures expert groups, joint photographs expert group, JPEG or JPG. So here it is widely used in adopted standard relating to the compression digitized picture. There are 5 stages in the block diagram. One is image preparation or image block preparation, forward DCT discrete cosine transform. Next one is quantization. Another one is nothing but entropy encoding, and then frame building. This is a frame building. So these are the 5 blocks of the image compression. So source image will be given to the image block preparation, then it is given to the forward DCT, then it is given to the quantizer, then it is given to the entropy encoding techniques and frame builders and encoded bit streams. In image block preparation, okay, image preparation will be done, then block preparation will be done, then it is given to the forward DCT, then from the forward DCT it is given to the quantization process. After quantization process, it is given to the entropy coding, where vectoring will be done either with the differential encoding or run length encoding. Then it is given to the Huffman encoding block. Then Huffman encoding will be done. Then it is given to the frame building. Then the coded bit stream will be transmitted through the network to the destination. So first we will talk about the image block preparation. So here the source image is made up of one or more 2D matrices of the values. For continuous tone monochromatic image, the single 2D matrix is required to store the set of 8-bit gray level values that represents the image. For color image, in the sense, the CLUT is used as a single matrix of the value which is required. If the image is represented in RGB format, the 3 matrices are required, for one for R and another for G and another for the B will be the quantized values. For color images, the alternative form of representation is known as YCB, and CR is optionally used instead of RGB. So the representation turns into allow the 2 matrices that contains digitized chrominance components, which is smaller in size than the Y matrix, so produced a reduced form of representation of RGB form. The 4 alternative forms of the representations are: once is image format has been selected. Okay, first the image format has been selected and prepared. The set of value of each matrix is compressed separately using DCT. Before performing the DCT on each matrix, another step is known as block preparation will be carried out. It would be also a more time consuming process in order to compute the DCT of the total matrix of the single step. So each matrix is first divided into smaller set of submatrices, 8 cross 8 submatrices. Each is known as a block and it is fed sequentially to the DCT, which transforms each block into separately designed values. Then what is the function of the forward DCT? In the sense, that transforms the pixel information from spatial domain to the frequency domain with the DCT. So each pixel value is quantized using 8 bits, which produce the value of ranges from 0 to 255 for the intensity values of RGB or Y. The value in the range is minus 128 to plus 127 for the 2 chrominance values of CB and CR. To compute the DCT, the values are all centered around 0 by subtracting 128 from each intensity. Then if the 2D matrix is represented by P of x comma y and the transfer of matrix is F into I comma j, then the DCT of the 8 blocks is given by F of I comma j is equal to C of I into C of j. So like that it will be done. And then quantization in the sense, the values from DCT are initially floating point. They are changed to integer by quantization. Though they are having some values like 8 to 82.25 4.85. So we are quantizing by rounding the thing. Rounding off will be done there. So 4.85 is equal to 5. 4.23 is equal to 4.5. So like that we are doing the rounding operations. So the floating point is changed into the integer by quantization. During the DCT phase, there are very little loss of informations in the main source of the representation of the information loss occurs during the quantization process or entropy encoding stages, okay, where the compression takes place with the help of various entropy encoding process. Human eye responds primarily to the DC coefficient with the lower spatial frequency when compared to the high magnitude volume. If the magnitude of the higher frequency is below the certain threshold volt, then eye will not able to detect the scene, whichever the changes happened in the scene. So this property exploited in the quantization phase by dropping those spatial frequency component in the transformed matrix whose amplitude is less than the defined threshold level. So quantization process aim to reduce the size of the DCT and AC coefficients so that the less bandwidth is required for their transmission. So this point of division operation is performed using the defined threshold value as the divisor. If the resulting or rounded quotient is 0, then the coefficient is less than the threshold value. Then if it is non-zero, then it indicates the number of times the coefficient is greater than the threshold level is the absolute value. So sensitivity of the eye is varies with the spatial frequency, which indicates that amplitude of the threshold below which eye will detect the particular spatial frequency also varies. So threshold values used vary each of the 64 DCT coefficient which held in two-dimensional matrix is known as quantization table, with the threshold value to be used with particular DCT coefficient in the corresponding position in the matrix. The choice of the threshold values is important, and in practice it compromise between the level of the compression that is required and resulting the amount of information loss that is acceptable. JPG standard includes two different default quantization process, one for use the luminance coefficient, the other for use with the two sets of chrominance coefficients. It also allows for the customized table to be used and sent with the compressed images. So while talking about the number of points to be concluded for the table in this is nothing but the computation of the quantized efficient involves rounding the quotient to the nearest integer value. The threshold values used in the general increase the magnitude with increasing in the spatial frequency. Okay, so next one is a entropy encoding. If you talk about the entropy encoding, there are four stages of encoding, entropy encoding. One is nothing but vectoring, another one is nothing but differential encoding and run length encoding, and then Huffman encoding. Four types of encodings are used. Vectoring in the sense the output of the quantized stage is a two matrix value. In order to apply any entropy encoding, so the set of value of matrix, first we must separate the values from the 1D vector, and showing in the operation is known as vectoring. So vectoring operations in order to exploit the presence of large number of zeros in the quantization matrix, and that two differential encoding schemes are used in this vectoring. One is nothing but differential encoding, another one is a run length encoding. So differential encoding in the sense, in this stage the difference in the magnitude of the DC coefficient is quantized block relatively to the preceding block is encoded first. And if it is a run length encoding in the sense, the AC coefficients are encoded in the form of string of the pairs, where each pair is made up of the skip or the value. Skip in the sense number of zeros in the run, and value is nothing but next non-zero coefficient. Huffman coding is used to encode the output of both the differential and the run length coding. So Huffman coding is nothing but the output of the differential encoding and run length encoding will be given to the Huffman encoding process. Here the differential encoding DC coefficient in the blocks, the bit is having the field are not sent in the unsigned format. So for each run length encoding, the bits that makes the skip and triple S field and treated as a single symbol, and it is encoded using either default table. And frame building, final one is a frame building. In that frame building, the decoder in the remote computer to be interpret all the different fields and tables that makes as a bit stream. It is necessary to delimit the each field and set to the table in the defined way. So that can be, which will be the frame is having what is the start of the frame and what is the frame header and frame content and the end of the frame. This is the blocks of the frame building. So in that start of the frame is represents the first frame, second frame, like that. And frame header consists of scan header, scanning and scan header. Or scanning consists of segment header, segment header, and then segment. Again the segment is consists of block, and block is consists of DC value and skip value. Like that it will be transmitted in the thing. The role of the frame builder is nothing but encapsulate all the information related to the encoding image or a picture in the format. Then the structure of the frame is a hierarchical. So at the top level, the complete frame plus header is encapsulated between the start of the frame and the end of the frame delimiters, which allows the receiver to determine the start and end of all the information relating to the complete image. The frame header consists of the number of fields that have overall width and height of the image of the pixel, the number and type of the components that are used to represent the image, and digitization format. The second level, the frame consists of the number of components of each is known as a scan, and the identity of the components, the number of bits which is used to digitize the each component, and the quantization table will have the encode component. So, and we have a segments. Segments is nothing but contains the group of blocks preceded by the headers. This contains Huffman table of the value which have been encoded.